Welcome to Wellness Fridays with Aphroditi, where presence becomes peace and joy. Episode 6, Live in the Moment, Seawalk Garden, Flowers, Birds, and Quiet Moments of Healing. There are certain places that instantly soften our heart. Places where flowers bloom gently in the breeze, birds sing without effort, and time seems to slow down just enough for us to breathe again. In today's episode, I'm sharing one of those beautiful moments from Seawalk Garden in West Vancouver on a seawall. I went there simply to admire flowers, to watch the birds move freely through the trees, to sit quietly and meditate in nature's embrace. And something magical happened. The noise of everyday life became quieter. My thoughts softened. My spirit felt lighter. The flowers reminded me that beauty exists without needing permission. The birds reminded me to trust the flow of life and stay present in the moment. And meditation reminded me that peace has always lived within me. Sometimes healing is not loud, it's not dramatic. Sometimes healing looks like sitting quietly under the sky, listening to birdsong, and allowing yourself to simply be. Nature has a way of bringing us back to ourselves. So, if you are feeling overwhelmed lately, too much going on, too much chaos, too much noise, this is your reminder to pause. Visit places like Seawalk Garden. Allow yourself to stop, to breathe, to admire flowers, to watch the birds, to sit in silence. You deserve moments of peace. Thank you for sharing this beautiful journey with me today. And until next Friday, remember, the present moment is where life truly happens. With love and gratitude, Aphroditi.